of this was to ensure that we tap raw talent. We ensured that players who are playing in the Premier League, Kenya Premier League, or national-wide leagues are not participating, so that we are able to nurture very raw talent. And as we nurture it and identify it, we've put together a team of 6 scouts, and 2 others will be joining tomorrow, who are going to select a total of 50 players, young players, that will be taken to Kenya Academy of Sports. And then from there, we want to find a way of how they can be nurtured and even being sold or given to teams within the country, and if they can be identified, to even go to teams outside the country.
The mission of our patron, Cleo Malala, is also to unite Mlembe Nation. You realize that Senator Malala has been a champion for the unity of Mlembe Nation, and for a long time he has been saying that the Mlembe Nation has to be united with action.
Kusema ukweli wamefaidika, kwa sababu kuanzia kule kwa barabara mpaka hapa vibanda zipo, watu wananunua chakula, magari, pikipiki zimetumika, watu wametumia pesa zao hapa. So economy ya Mumias wakati kama huu, especially December na holiday kama hizi, ambapo improvisha economy ya hapa.
Now it's now something that nobody can doubt it. Kenya has got a lot of talent. We have been having a problem of exposing it. Therefore, at least since from this year, there is no doubt Kenya has got a lot of talent. Now, people have come in, like the Cleo Malala tournament, to tap those talents and then develop them and then expose them. So the future of football in Kenya, if we don't bring distractions, the future of Kenya has got a very bright future.